Hello guys, what's up and welcome to another Monopoly Go tutorial video. In this video, I will be showing you how you can trade your stickers in Monopoly Go. So let's get right into it. In the bottom right corner, you can see an album tab. Click on that and you will get a list of all your card collection, guys. When you click on each one of these collections, if you actually have cards in it, for example, let's go to Romulus and Remus, you will see the cards that you have. Here I have only one card. However, if you collect more, you will have more of them, obviously. The way you can trade these cards, guys, is if you get duplicates of them. Duplicates are two of the same card, and if you get a duplicate, you will have a plus number next to your sticker to indicate how many of duplicate cards you have. Let me show you a screenshot of what that looks like. Alright guys, this is an example screenshot of what it looks like when you have a duplicate of a certain sticker, guys. As you can see, there's a +1 next to the sticker, indicating that this actual sticker has one duplicate of it available. And if you want to send that duplicate to a friend, you just click the Send to Friend button on the bottom of the screen. Pick which one of your friends you actually want to send it to, click on them, and once you send it to them, they will receive it, no problem. That's the same way somebody can send you stickers, and that's pretty much it. If you want to find people with who you can trade actual stickers, you can join the official Monopoly Go Facebook group, and there you will find people who are willing to trade you their duplicates if you give them duplicates in return. Some just might be able to help you without asking for any stickers in return, and you can of course help any people who need duplicate stickers without asking for them in return as well. You can also use these stickers these duplicate stickers to exchange the golden stars you see above the stickers for several rewards, which I have done in another tutorial, guys. Well, that's pretty much it. That's how you trade your cards in Monopoly Go. I hope this video has been informative and this has been helpful. I will see you guys in another video. Goodbye.